Hello everyone, we are going to see how to install PyCharm IDE on Windows 10. So PyCharm IDE is one of the most popular IDEs that we have. So let's see how to install it on Windows. To download PyCharm IDE, we have to go to JetBrains.com, and if you go to this link, you will get two options. One is professional, another one is community. So we are going to download PyCharm IDE for Windows. We'll go among these two options, professional as well as community. We'll go for community version because it is free and open source. So let's click it. So the PyCharm exe file has started downloading. We'll wait for some time. So PyCharm community 2020 exe file download has been completed. Now I am going to click it. And you can see that PyCharm community edition setup, it is on the way. So welcome to PyCharm community edition. Let's click next. So by default it is going to be stored in this folder. So let's click next. Here we need with launcher. So this one you have to click, and this .py file is not needed, and then we can go to the next. So let's install. So you can see that installation has started. So here you can see that PyCharm community edition has been installed on your computer. So run PyCharm community edition, and you can click here finish. So here import PyCharm settings, you have two options, configure or install directory, or do not import settings. So I'd go with do not import setting. So here in the theme, you will get this customize option. You can either have IntelliJ Lite, or you can have Dracula or Windows 10 Lite or high contrast. These four options you will be getting in the recent IDE. So let us click IntelliJ Lite, and then let us go to projects, create a new project, and let's name it as my first project. So my first project Python. So let's click. So here you can see the Python editor. So I have created this my first project Python. So here you can go, and then you can create a new Python file. Let's name it hello world. So no need of giving .py because already by default this is a Python file. So if you click it, hello world will be there, and then you can write a print statement. And then finally you can execute. So from here you can directly execute it, hello world, or else you can go there and execute hello world. In both these cases it will work. So now you have learned how to install PyCharm editor. PyCharm editor is one of the most popular editors for Python programming. So thanks for watching.